Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a video with my daddy. So daddy's
Hi.
Today my father is showing you how to make chicken biryani, and at the last of the video I'm going to show you a sweet dish. First we're going to see chicken biryani. See the video till end, and comment down below how is my new haircut.
Yeah, we have 1 kg chicken which is actually marinated 4 hours before. For 1 kg chicken, we have mixed all the ingredients: garam masala, dhania powder, jeera powder in a required content. All these ingredients along with the curd and mirchi powder, jeera, allam velulli, all these mixed together. Okay, this is marinated with 1 kg chicken. I'm cooking now. Now the time is actually 12 p.m. It is marinated at 9:30 a.m. today in the morning. So it is perfectly 3 hours marinated. Okay, so now I have already soaked. I have already soaked 1 kg of biryani rice. This is actually 1 kg. For 1 kg marinated chicken, 1 kg rice is enough, so that we'll get a good fluffy biryani. Now I took one bowl. Okay, I've taken sufficient quantity of water. I just took 5 minutes to boil. Now I'm adding some ingredients, solid masala ingredients, like this is shajira. Okay, I'm adding first shajira. Then I'm adding this is flour kind of solid masala.
Daddy.
And this is ilachi, and this is also exactly, I don't know, but some kind of flavor it adds to the biryani. And I'm going to take I'm going to add lavanga. Okay, some 5 to 6 pieces of lavanga. This is not lavanga. Sorry friends, we don't have lavanga in the house at present. So to compensate, to replace the flavor of lavanga, I'm just adding the biryani podi masala, which consists of all the raw ingredients, like whether it is mogga, ilachi, everything. It consists of all the flavors. Okay, so that we will not miss the flavor. We have to wait for 10 minutes to boil, so that all the flavors, it will be absorbed by the water, so that when we put the rice, the fluffy rice will absorb the ingredients of the masala, so that the taste will come good. We forgot, actually we have to add the lemon also. Okay, 1 piece of lemon sufficient for 1 kg of rice to have kind of flavor. Okay, and we have to add the salt. We have to add the 3 teaspoons of salt, so that rice will nicely tasted. We have to also add 1 tablespoon of oil, so that rice will not get will have a clear structure, that to look better and to eat better. For clear texture, we have to add the oil, so that we will get good, nicely cooked rice.
I don't think it's gonna complete the food right now because I'm so hungry.
Do you think he's gonna do everything right?
I don't think so, because why not? Oh my god.
We have to add we have to prepare
The liquid of the ghee.
yes. 3
Liquid ghee.
tablespoon enough. Okay, for 1 kg of rice.
3 spoons.
Hmm.
Actually, I don't like ghee.
Kinju, put it in a oven.
Yeah. So I'm keeping it 1 minute, 30 seconds. There we go. So it's done. Okay, we got the liquid here. Okay.
So ghee is ready now. This is almost 60% done. Now we have to prepare for them. Okay, keep the handi on the stove.
Is it dum?
Okay, before that, just we have to add a little bit of flavored water into the. Have to pour it like this, so that the dum will be properly
Cool.
done. Okay, enough. And after that, if you take the rice, you see it's almost above 60% is cooked. Okay, so next will be cooked in the dum process. Okay, we have to pour the, and now we have to remove all these things. Not required anyway. Flavor is water is absorbed with the flavor. So we have to all remove these solid particles so that we don't get disturbed at the time of eating. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Okay. Now we have to make it simmer. Okay. We have to add the rice. Just put it like this so that it will be distributed evenly.
Don't on the flame. Now,
Yeah, flame is on low flame only.
the rice one is on the sim, and the handi is
Off.
we didn't on it. It's off. Don't on the handi. I mean, flame up on it.
Actually, for this we have to add the fried onions. Since I do not have time, I did not add the fried onions. Actually, we have to add as two layers. One is above chicken. After that, after layering the rice, we have to along with this coriander leaves, we have to add fried onions also, which now I am not adding. I don't have time to do all these things. Okay, this for this moment. So
Because we are hungry.
people have to adjust with this only. Now I'm going to add this ghee, 3 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee is very important for biryani, otherwise it will not get that much flavor. So don't avoid ghee at any cost. It's important. Okay, and this is optional. This is mixed with the saffron is mixed with the milk. So anyway, it is optional. To have a good color, I am adding this. We Indians like the colors on the dishes, so I'm adding it. Now I'm going to put a dum for 30 minutes. First 10 minutes it is high flame, and another 10 minutes it's on medium flame, another 10 minutes it's on low flame, then it's over. Okay, now where is this okay, I'm putting close here for the dum. Actually it is better to layer it with the atta, but since I do not have the time, I'm putting some lid on this. Okay, so with this water I'm going to add further water, okay, so that we will have good weight on that.
Shall I off this?
Yeah, you can off that. Okay. And,
Okay, I'm going to tell you that. And now also it's not on. The stove is not on. The stove is not on.
actually hole here. It's better to close this with some kind of cardamom, okay, or ilachi, or lavanga. Since I do not have lavanga, I'm going to add this. So I'm going to put on the top of this so that
It doesn't
to be just to be checked, so that air will not be leaked. If the air is leaked, you will not get proper dum and flavor. Okay. So sealing the container is important. Handi is important. We have to check whether properly sealed or not. And we have to on the stove.
Now. And upper layer we kept the water
we have to
in this.
keep it for 10 minutes on high flame. Then we have to move to medium, and again next 10 minutes low flame. So entire 30 minutes. Okay. What is the time, Santosh?
12:50.
12:50. Yeah. It's already 30 minutes over. I'm going to off the burner.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Okay.
Now we have to see how the biryani is have come. Okay. It's nicely fluffy biryani. Yeah, little bit moisture is there. It's good to have moisture like this because my wife likes the moisture. Okay. We will take some rice along with the curry. You have to remove from side so that masala and white rice come together. It is like this. It's good. Tempting, so tempting. Okay. We are going to eat 3 people now. Now it is not enough. Yeah, it's enough. Lakshmi, will you come down for eating?